I did my master's and my undergrad back from India. And while doing the master's, I got a good mentor. And then I got more interested in biology and chemistry. And it was my master's during which time I got my first experience to get involved in real research. Um, my project was basically working on biocurcumax. It's a spice that's commonly used in daily food in India. So the whole idea was to evaluate the bioavailability because it's widely known to have an antifungal property, hypocholesteromic effect, blood sugar lowering effect. So I got interested into that and then started doing animal studies. And further, I moved on to biomedical research. I did my PhD in tissue engineering of cartilage. Um, that's the new concept of developing functional tissue using patients' own cells to develop a long-lasting functional tissue that could be very useful for critical size or even small injuries that affect cartilage during sports or accidents, or and very relevant moving towards trying to find a clinical therapy for osteoarthritis. After doing my PhD, I need to have more experience further to move ahead to into this research career. So I was looking for a postdoctoral position abroad to gain more experience, to understand how people abroad think, how the way they do science. I was also trying to get more experience than what I did got for my PhD program. There I did most of the in vitro studies, that is using the cells in the scaffold. Here I'm working on a regeneration of both bone and cartilage together as a single entity and developing three-dimensional implants that are bioactive. So I make three-dimensional microsphere-based bioactive scaffolds, and that could be used for osteochondral regeneration, make critical size defects in rabbit's knee joint, and then implant them there and then look for the regeneration. But my plan is to get myself established as a research scientist or join as a faculty in a good scientific institute and identify and establish my own independent research career, transfer the whole knowledge, whatever I gain, and learn new things in the whole process. Well, now I'm into the field of tissue engineering and cartilage, so I would like to play my genuine part in developing an engineered construct that is clinically relevant and much useful and would help the patients for a faster regeneration. So I would like to play my genuine role, my honest part in the whole effort of developing a clinical product.